Hello. I am Leo from Silken Mermaid Software. This video will show you how to make a heart photo collage like this. We will use FigrCollage software to make the collage. Details on how to get FigrCollage are in the description. First, open FigrCollage and select a size. Second, select the heart shape. Third, reduce the number of cells to use. Let us add pictures to our collage. We will use the freeform cell style for this heart collage. Generate the collage. Let us fine-tune the collage layout. Let us adjust the picture shadows. We will now add text to our collage. Let us export the collage to a JPG image. Let's quickly view the exported JPG. If you like the video, please like it and subscribe to our channel.